Hi friends, I'm gonna try to make this super duper fast and I'm not gonna edit it, so I can just record it and upload it and then it will still be relevant because we're about to get snow. So I'm in my garden. This is so sad, everything died. None of these tomatoes were ready to be picked, and then when they were ready to be picked they all just fell. So I was just gonna let those tomatoes be on the ground. I picked as many as I could, but those ones are starting to rot, and yeah. I picked my cucumber, my poor little zucchinis. I wish I would have recorded. That's a truck. They're doing, you can't see it at all, but like through those trees, they are putting windmills together, so sometimes trucks drive by. Somehow these flowers are still kicking. These ones that I planted accidentally, that caused me all of my issues and completely took over my garden. But yeah, everything died. I wish that I would have remembered to harvest everything, but I totally forgot. So boo-hoo. But oh well. Better luck next year. Thank you so much for watching. If you made it this far, I hope you have a fantastic day. Bye.